Hello guys, today we are going to discuss Leetcode problem 91, which is decode ways. Suppose a message containing letters from A to Z can be encoded into numbers using the following mapping: A is 1, B is 2, and so on, Z is 26. To decode an encoded message, all the digits must be grouped, them mapped back into letters using the reverse of the mapping above. There may be multiple ways. For example, 11106 can be mapped into AAJF with the grouping 11, 10, 6, and it can be also mapped into KJF with the grouping 11, 10, and 6. Note that the grouping 11106 is invalid because 06 cannot be mapped into F since 6 is different from 06. Given a string S containing only digits, return the number of ways to decode it. The test cases are generated so that the answer fits in a 32-bit integer. Suppose in example 1 S is 12. The number of ways are 2 because 12 could be decoded as A, B, or L. So let's code the solution. We will be using dynamic programming. So let's have dynamic programming. Let's have the number of decodings. So length of S is initialize. Let's initialize it with 0. Let's create a depth first search function which takes the ith index of the string. If I in dp, we will return dp of I. If s of I is equals to 0, then we will return 0. Let's have result is equals to dfs of I plus 1. Now it could be possible that uh, there can be two numbers like 1 2 12 or 1 3, right? So what we can do, if I plus 1 is less than length of s, and s of I is equals to 1, or s of I is equals to 2, and s of I plus 1 in 0 1 2 3 4 5 6, then we will return result plus is equals to dfs of I plus 2. Now here dp of I is equals to result. We can return result, and at the end we can return dfs of 0. Let's run the code. So it's a wrong answer. Let me check what went wrong. dfs of dpi is equals to result. Okay, I think length of s, it should be 1 instead of 2. So okay, okay, we need to have one more edge case in 06. Suppose the starting is 0. Return 0. and we are expecting output is 1. So in that case, I think we need to handle this edge case as well. If Si is 0, okay, TP of I is 0 result. Let me 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to what is going wrong over here. I think I need to look my previous solution. So let me check. Okay, okay, I understood what is the problem here. So basically, we need to compare SI with the string 0, not actual 0. So let's run the code now. There was a bug in our code, so I fixed that bug. Submit the code. The solution is accepted and algorithm is working fine. Here the time complexity is order of n. So I hope you like this code. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you and have a nice day.